Example number 6. Again, using the rule of exponents. Okay. Number A, they want us to evaluate this. And they want us to rewrite it with only positive integers. So we have a minus 5x to the minus 3 quantity squared. Well, we're going to evaluate by working with this outer, we're going to work from the outside in with exponents. So this is going to be the same as a minus 5 squared times x to the minus 3 squared. Minus 5 squared means multiply minus 5 times a minus 5, and that's a positive 25. Now we're taking a power to a power, so this is x to the minus 3 times 2. And that would be 25x to the minus 6. But we have a negative power here, and they want us to write it with a positive exponent. So we're going to have to change the sign to a positive 6, and to do that, we'll move this down into the denominator. Take the reciprocal. So this is 25 over x to the 6th power. And part B, is a minus 7x over y squared to the minus 2. Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this minus 2, and we'll do this by taking the reciprocal or just flipping this thing over. That just equals y squared over 7x. We still have this minus sign out in front of it, squared. We got rid of the minus 2 by taking the reciprocal or just flipping these over. Now we're going to square the top and the bottom. We're going to have a minus y squared squared divided by 7x squared, quantity squared. Here we're raising a power to a power. So this is a minus y times to the raised to the 2 times 2 power, which is y to the 4th. And our denominator is 7 squared raised and x squared. And there's a minus sign out in front here. 7 squared is 49. 7 times 7 is 49 times x squared. So our answer is a minus y to the 4th divided by 49x squared. And number C is 12x squared y to the minus 4 divided by 6x to the minus 1 y squared. We can approach, we can approach this a number of ways. We could get rid of these negatives by bringing this down into the denominator. We could bring this up into the numerator. We're dividing exponents, so we could subtract these exponents, and that's the way the book did it, so I think that's the way I'll do it. We'll just divide each of these as we go along. What's 6 into 12? 2. And then we're dividing x squared times x minus 1, so we subtract what's in the denominator, so minus a minus 1. And then we have y to the minus 4 minus the exponent in the bottom, which is in the denominator, which is 2. So this is 2x to the 2 minus a minus 1 times y to the minus 4 minus 2. Well, that's 2x minus a minus is a plus, so this is 2 plus 1, which is 3, y to the minus 6. Now, if we don't like that minus 6, we can write this as 2x cubed and bring our minus 6 into the denominator and make it a positive.